Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unarchive post on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unarchive post on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on that, and again from over here at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three-lined icon. And over here guys, where it says the how you use Instagram, on the second option there is the archive button available for us. Tap on that, and on this interface guys, all of your archives will be over here. You can see we are currently on the story archives. At the top of the screen there it says the story archive. Tap on that, and you can see it will say over here post archive, and after that alive archives. All of your archives will be over here. Let's go back to the post archive. Now in order to unarchive a post, simply tap that post which you want to unarchive, and there will be a three-dotted icon available at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three-dotted icon. Now in order to unarchive that post, you can see the show on profile button available for us. Tap on that show on profile, and you can see it says show reel on profile, and tap on again, tap on show on profile, and it says restored guys. Let's refresh this, and you can see guys that post which just on archive is not over here, and this means that that post will be available on our account after a few moments, because it will be get to load over here. And over here guys, you can see that post has been unarchived on our Instagram account. And guys, this is how to unarchive a post on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.